Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before going ahead, please subscribe my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram. You can also mail us at mohinemakeovers@gmail.com. Like and subscribe now and stay tuned every Sunday for more videos.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to give you real and quite an authentic review about the natural Vita-Rich face serum by the Moms Co. So this serum is a dermatologically tested serum, and in this video I'm going to talk about all its ingredients, its cost, its pros and cons, its uses, its application and everything. But before going ahead, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So this serum cost 699 rupees and you can get a hefty discount on this serum if you buy it from the website itself, or sometimes even you can grab this product at quite a low price whenever such kind of discounts are going around on Amazon or on Flipkart or on any other online portals. So I got 30% discount when I bought this from the Moms Co website itself. So let's talk about the ingredient of this serum. This serum has vitamin B3, which is also known as niacinamide. It helps in improving uneven skin tone. It also has vitamin C, B5 and E. It could be applied on any kind of skin tone because it is water-based formula and it does not cause any kind of acne. This product is dermatologically tested and it could be used by any gender. It can be used during pregnancy or at any point of time. This serum is best used at night when your facial skin muscles are relaxed. What you have to do is just take few drops of this serum, apply it on all over your face and then just dab it. I'm going to quickly show you the demo of the same. This serum works on the inner layer of our skin to repair and replenish. So this is the best serum which I've got from Moms Co. It is paraben free and you can all trust this brand. This serum does have a little bit amount of different smell, you can say, but that's okay. That's because it is not having any kind of artificial fragrance in it. So my take on this serum is just go ahead. If you're looking for a natural vitamin C and different minerals and vitamin rich ingredients in your face serum, then this is a hit. I would recommend you to use this serum during night. When you go to bed and clean your face, just apply a few drops of this on your skin and just go to sleep. But if you wish to apply this during the during the daytime, then you can also apply this. For that, what you have to do is just clean your face and then apply a few drops of this all over your face. Give a rest to it for 5 minutes, then apply your moisturizer or your sunscreen on top of it, and then you can move ahead and go outside. But I would always recommend you to use it during night because during night our skin is relaxed and all the muscles are relaxed, so this works really well because as I previously told you that this serum works on the inner layer of the skin. So the result of this serum on the outer layer of the skin would be visible after a long time because this allows your inner layer of the skin to repair and replenish. Once your inner skin gets repaired and replenished, then only slowly and gradually the result of the same would be visible on the outer layer of the skin. So if you are looking for a serum which can give you quite an instant effect, which is quite visible, then this serum is not best for you. You should go for some other serum because this serum really works slowly and gradually. So this was about my take on the Natural Vita Rich Face Serum by the Moms Co. If you like this review, then you please give a thumbs up to this video and consider subscribing my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.